Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. This is Ina and welcome back to our 10th episode of my reaction video for this series, How to Spot a Red Flag. And oo, grabe, ang dami kong nakikitang mga spoilers, pero napapaisip ako kung magiging happy ending ba to or magkakaroon talaga ng total confusion kung sino talaga yung makakatuluyan dito ni Cha. So, before that, let's start in 3, 2, 1.
I know we started off on the wrong foot. So, thank you for giving me this chance.
Chance mo na rin to tell me something.
Oh!
I mean, habang magka-text tayo dati, parang nag-meet na tayo somewhere, di ba? Yes, ma'am.
So, ito yung nung na-scam sila. So, kaya niya naaalala na parang nag-meet na sila somewhere.
Jacinto, really rude that time. Bad trip kasi yung scam na yun eh.
Bad trip talaga na pag naloloko ka.
Niloloko?
Niloko? Niloko, I mean. Let's order.
Yeah, sure. Gusto mo ba ng seafood? Maraming seafood dito. May fish, tsaka...
Catfish!
Sorry?
Hoy!
Sorry, bigla kasing sumama yung pakiramdam ko. Muna na ako.
I can drop you off.
It's okay.
You sure?
Ang bilis ha, sumaba yung pakiramdam, tapos umalis agad.
What was that?
Wala man, natabig ko lang.
Face me?
Nawawala yung ilong niya. Hindi naman kasi natabig.
Matt, napapadalas na yung pagsisinungaling mo ha. I don't like it.
I'm sorry, Mom.
Why? Is it because of this Cha? You know what? I've never seen you like this. Not even with Christine. Are you starting to have feelings for this girl?
Oh my God.
I don't know.
Oh no.
Ma, she's different. Eh, hindi ko ma-explain. Basta, iba lang siya.
I don't believe this.
No, I know I don't believe it. I know. But honestly, it may just be guilt, right?
Or it's something else.
Jaya really likes her.
And ang gagawin mo habang buhay kang magsisinungaling?
Kaya nga. And also, siya talaga yung gusto ni Cha, di ba?
It's not like you can lie, Matt.
Because of my nose. I know. Bro, she's acting weird. Eh, malamang inamin mo ba naman nagsinungaling ka? Siyempre. Na nga, hindi pa ako umamin eh. Pero she's insinuating as if may alam siya. What do you mean? Then you should have used it as an opportunity to come clean. hindi nga natuloy yung dinner, so I guess not counted. I need some time, okay? JR naman! Bro, Siya does not deserve this. Tell her now. Now! Sorry, golden boy. I'm not like you. Hindi nga niya ako matagalan kanina, tapos gusto mo umamin pa ako sa kanya. Hey, Chap! Niloko nga pala kita. Wanna eat? Gusto mo ganyan? I'm sorry you feel that way. But it's not my fault that you're in that position right now. Matt, seriously?
Bibigay sa akin doon ng estudyante ko kanina yung laruan ko. Nakita sa Cynthia. Ito, mag-terno daw tayo.
Ano cute dito? Bakit? Ang sagwating na.
Ay, hindi oh! Gwapo-gwapo mo nga yun. Ang Gen Z mo.
Gen Z, mukha akong unan.
Hindi ang masarap kang yakapin. Oo. Wow. So, anak, sabihin mo nga. Tatay mo kung gaano siya kagwapo.
Tingnan mo naman, ano, mukha akong king size bed. Oh, anak.
Siya? Tama ho kayo. Dapat di ko na pinapahamak yung sarili ko sa mga manloloko.
Teka, ani.
Alam mo kasi ang gulo, tas ayaw kasing i-confront ni Cha eh. So, parang paikot-ikot lang. Hanggat walang confrontation, walang mangyayari.
Z, sandali. Tumas si Matt dito. JR, I just spoke to our finance team and they're telling me that our budget ballooned because of your management costs. Sorry, Dad. Sorry, JR. That is basic task. Di ba niremind ka na ni Matt about the right budget? Inuuna mo pa kasi yung date mo eh. Hello?
Mimi, I just reviewed our monthly P&L. May mga expenses to na hindi ko alam. Yan po ba yung research expenses for purchasing? Yes. Galing po sa office ni Sir JR yun. Hindi po kami aware kung ano pong specifics nun. Pina-forward lang po namin yung report based po sa pinapasa ng office nila.
Okay naman po siya. Pagawa na lang po ako ng extra copies.
Cha.
Ano na naman mo dito?
Matagal ko nang gustong sabihin sa'yo to. Hindi ako yung kachat mo. Pinagtagpan ko lang si JR.
Ba't pumayag ka?
Kasi gusto ko niya. At malaki yung utang na loob ko sa kanya. And I know that's not an excuse, Jack. Seriously, I'm very sorry and nahirapan din ako.
Nahirapan ka doon? Magsinungaling? Parang kising-kising nga sa'yo eh.
Jack, what I mean is, nahirapan ako kasi nahuhuli ako ng tao pang nagsisunungaling ako. My nose, it turns red when I lie.
Gusto mong tignan? Oh, ba't namumula ilong mo?
Oo, namumula yung ilong ko kasi grabe yung rhinitis ko eh.
So, lahat ng oras na pagmumula ng ilong mo, kapag kasama mo ako,
Sisinungaling ka.
I'm sorry. I'm a horrible person. I'm truly sorry for deceiving you. Kung gusto mo akong sampalin ulit, sige gawin mo lang, hindi na ako magagalit.
Bakit?
Anong bakit?
Bakit may naamin sa akin ito lahat ngayon?
Kasi... ayaw kitang nakitang nasasaktan.
Mm. Mm. Grabe yung...
Sir, papir pa lang po, please.
Hindi, sige, mamaya na yan. Okay? I'll do something.
Deadline na po kasi talaga eh.
I'll get back to you later.
Hey.
Okay?
JR,
Yes, Tita.
talk about the research expenses from your office.
Yeah, that's all for finding other sources and suppliers na mas cost efficient.
Okay. I wasn't aware of that. It's costing us a lot of money. And approved pa to ni LPS? Hey. I'm just looking out for you, okay? Ano naman yung dad mo? If you want, we can sit down, review this, and then we'll run it by him.
Tita, R&D is part of my job. So no need to inform Dad. Don't stress about it, okay? How about we have some lunch sa fifth karinderya natin to distress? Is Matt here, by the way?
Nauna akong pumunta dito. Pwede bang ayusin niyo yung problema niyo kayong dalawa? Please. Kasi parang lumalala eh. Ha? Okay.
Ay, ako din yung nasa-stress sa kanila, eh.
Nasasaktan ka for me kasi...
May gusto ka. May gusto ka, di ba? May gusto ka.
Kasi ano? Hindi ko na mapigilan
Ang alin!
na magsabi ng totoo sa'yo. Kasi yun yung kailangan gawin. And you deserve nothing less, Jack. At all.
Yun lang.
Hindi niya masabi na gusto na niya si Cha.
Yes. Were you expecting anything more?
Lokal Cha.
Bakit? Una na ako.
Cha! Cha!
Anong ginawa mo sa chacha ko?
Patay kang bata ka.
I just told her the truth po. That I wasn't the one chatting with her. It was TR. And I covered up for him because he really liked her. I'm very sorry for hurting her. Hindi ko rin po gusto mangyari yun.
I really don't care about your excuse. Ang sa akin, sinaktan mo yung anak ko.
That's why I suggest na umalis ka na. You have to give her space.
True.
I'm sorry again for everything.
Now!
I'm very
Gusto ko
sorry.
yung ang tapang ni Mylene Dizon pero sobrang softy niya dito. Cha, poor Cha. Hindi mo deserve masaktan. Ito naman kasing si JR eh. May gusto naman pala.
Anak, umalis na siya. Hindi ka na. Tapos ka na dyan. Ang ilan sa kanila, kulang sa...
Come in.
Elias,
Hey.
here's the monthly Exicom report.
You went through this?
Yes. And,
What?
are you aware na may additional expenses si JR for research?
What?
Well, I found out about it last night and I asked Finance about it. Sabi nila hindi sila sigurado kung saan naka-allocate yung expenses na yun.
Dito ba si JR?
Wala, he just left. Leandro, wait. I'm sure there's a reason for these expenses. And sigurado kung hindi to ginagamit ni JR for personal use.
That's why I wanted to talk to him.
But it's best to talk to him in person. And please be careful when you speak with him. Huwag mong daanin sa galit.
True.
Kasi isipin na naman niya na wala kang tiwala sa kanya, pinagdududahan mo siya. Hinay-hinay lang. Kasi may pinagdadaanan siya.
Pinagdadaanan?
It's really better if you just speak with him.
Why are you not answering my calls? Ikaw yun, no? Ikaw yung nag-spill kay Cha? Ikaw lang naman nakakaalam ng lahat eh.
Siya pa yung may ganang magalit.
Pero bro, usapan natin na ako magsasabi, di ba? On my time. Usapin natin yun, bro.
Kailan mo pa sasabihin, di ba?
Ano na vlog? Ha? Relax lang, ang dami tao. Tell me the truth, Matt. Gusto mo ba siya? Dami, Matt, gusto mo ba siya? Hindi!
Oh, siya. Alam nyo, nagsisimula na akong mainis kay JR. Sana tigilan na lang niya si Cha. Kung wala lang din naman siyang magandang... Ay. Allergen.
Gusto mo ba siya? Dami, Matt, gusto mo ba siya? Hindi!
Okay, kaya hindi nagmula yung ilong niya. And that's the end of my reaction video for episode 10. And, ang gulo-gulo na ng sitwasyon ni Cha at ni Matt and JR. Why are you like that? Nagigigil ako sa'yo. So, sobrang, naiinis ako. Hindi ko na ma-predict kung ano ba, ayos pa ba si Cha at si Matt? But anyways, thank you guys for watching. And please, pa-follow po ng new FB page ko, Ini Graziella. And ayun lang guys, Happy New Year and belated Merry Christmas. And see you on my next vlog. Bye!